Now that we already have this complete and correct set of values, let's now move on with the formula. Okay, and so let's continue. The mean, the mode will be equal to LMO is 20.5. That's the lower bound of our modal class. Plus D1 is 15 over D2 is 2. So therefore, we have to add 15 plus 2 and then multiply it by 10. That's it. Everybody get your calculators again and kindly press this. 20.5 plus 15 over 17 times 10. Thank you. So we have here, the mode will be equal to what? Type your answer in the chat box. This is the correct one because we need to subtract our frequency above the modal class frequency and below it from the modal class frequency. We should never, ever forget that. So the answer here is, I'm waiting for the rest to type their answer. The answer here is very good. That's 29.32. So therefore, if we will get the approximate of this, it's 29.32, or the mode is approximately equal to 29 years old. Okay? So therefore, why did we do this? Of course, kasi para lamang so that we can identify really what is the age group with the most Zumba participants. So therefore, the age sige, sir, kapag sa quiz po, whole number lang din po yung sasagot or kasama po yung decimal. Better be sure, try both. At least if there's a choice, you can choose any of those kung pwedeng pumasok. And then if ever it's a solution which I require you to solve, I will surely understand naman if you use the decimal or the whole number. Okay? But of course, since this is age, mas maganda yung binubuo mo siya. Okay? Approximately. But actually, 29.32 is also correct. Okay? Kasi wala pa namang nagsasabi, ilang taon ka na? 29.32 po. Wala namang ganon, di ba? Ilang taon ka na? 29 po, 30, 31. So, kapag age, usually binubuo siya, nabubuo siya. Okay? Okay, let's now continue. So, therefore, we can say here that the most Zumba participants are 29 years old. Then I just wondered, nung kayang manalakaran sa Pampanga, bigla akong napaisip, kung kayang nag-survey ako doon sa around 220,000 people there, what is the what kaya is the age group, or what's the age of the participants? Ano pa sasabihin? What is the most participants attend? What is the age of the participants? Paano sasabihin? What is the most manalakaran participants age kaya during the Pampanga Rally? Yung parang ganon. What age is the most attendees? Tama ba yun? Yun, napaisip tuloy ako. So, that's it. So, that's how we find the mode of the grouped data. Show me a reaction if the process is clear. Please, in the chat box, type one thing that you need to remember in doing this mode for group data. Sige nga, something that we need to take a look at always. Aside from identifying the value below the frequency of the modal class and above it, what is this important process that we must not miss? Type it in the chat box, please. Type it in the chat box. Ano yung isang hindi natin dapat kakalimutan? Let me see. Very good. Ayun. Don't forget to subtract the D1 and D2. Huwag kakalimutang i-subtract the value above it, above the modal frequency, modal class frequency, and below it from the frequency of the modal class. Very good. Please take note of that.